WSELB or elastic load balancing. Elastic load balancing distributes the incoming traffic between target resources. The target resources may be Amazon instances, container, IP addresses, Lambda function, or any other virtual application, so that it improves the scalability of the application. So if there is much more load in the application or any network or resources, then we can distribute the incoming traffic between different number of resources or to the target resources. So there are 4 types of load balancer: application load balancer, network load balancer, gateway load balancer, and classic load balancer. Application load balancer suited for balancing of HTTP and HTTPS traffics. These are the protocols. Network load balancer suitable for TCP, UDP, and TLS. Gateway load balancer is used to deploy, scale, and run third-party virtual networking appliances in an easy way. And a classic load balancer basically used across multiple EC2 instances, and it operates both the request level and connection level. So whenever we are going to use classic load balancer, that is basically applicable for EC2 instances. So what are the benefits? The benefits are highly available and elasticity. So highly available means multi-AZ, it supports multi-AZ. Security, elastic load balancing works with VPC. Feature breadth, so it can be used for all size of businesses. Robust monitoring and visibility, it helps in monitoring. Elastic load balancing can be used with CloudWatch for metrics and for log, check the health of the resource. Integration and global reach, elastic load balancing can be integrated with different services like EC2, container service, or Kubernetes service, global accelerator. So where it is used, elastic load balancing is used for migration, modernizing application with serverless and container, building hybrid cloud, scaling third-party virtual appliances.